Hey, how's it going? It's Perry at the Lean Body for You training studio in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to use the Lean Waves toning system and some of the safety features that are built in. So basically we're going to get started right now. I'm going to do legs today, so I'm going to do calves, legs, and abs, which you can do abs with every workout. So we're going to basically start off with calves, wetting the lead pads, and putting it directly on the calf muscles. So that's the left, and then here's the right. Just give it a nice spritz. All right. Now next I'm going to go ahead and do the hamstrings. I like to do the legs antagonistically, so basically that means doing the hamstrings and the quads together. And what this does is when you do it in a seated position, it very much simulates a full squat. So you're activating all the muscles of the leg, quadriceps, hamstrings, and it also stabilizes the joint to where you're not having extension or flexion to an extreme degree either way or the other. Okay, so kind of hitting across quadriceps. Now, as you can see, the Lean Waves toning suit makes placement very easy, and it helps expedite placement and holds the pads firmly in place. The straps that you see on my calves work well for the calves, but it's really hard on certain body parts like shoulders, traps, chest, and so forth, and that's where the suit really helps. But I've also found, like with the legs, it just moves a lot quicker getting everything hooked up and keeps everything firmly in place. Water is the conductor, and it just the suit also helps keep the pads moist during the entire session. Let's these up. All right, now let's hit the stomach, upper lower abdominals. And we are ready to roll. So as you see, setup only takes just a couple of minutes, and then it's just a matter of getting into position. One of the things I want to show you is a lot of the other machines on the market don't have certain safety features, and one that I really like about the Lean Waves toning system is you don't have to worry about zeroing out the knobs every time, because it will not turn on without the knobs being zeroed out. What happens with a lot of the other machines on the market is it doesn't have that safety feature, and somebody might use it and then forget to zero out the knobs, and next time they turn it on, it goes to full power. So what happens here is you'll notice when I go to turn it on with one of the knobs turned on slightly, it has that warning signal. So I turn it back off, zero it out, and then turn it on. So we're ready to roll there. Okay, I'm going to set it on the toning frequency and then gradually start to turn the knobs up. The other feature is if you go to turn the knobs up too quickly, it will basically pause for you. That way you're not stimulating the muscle too quickly with too much power. So it's better to gradually go up. And right now I'm just feeling a light stimulation, but you'll see my quadriceps begin to activate soon. Feeling it in the hamstrings, the calves. Okay, so that's my abs, quads, hams, calves, abs, quads, hams, calves. All right. I'm going to go up a little quicker just for demonstration purposes. I don't recommend doing this at home, but I've been using electronic stimulators since the mid-80s. So I guess you could say I'm a seasoned professional. But there is an acclimation period as you get used to it. And the more you use the stimulator, the more fibers come into play. Now, as you can see, my legs and my abs are contracting. And you can see my vastus medialis right there, rippling. So I'm getting full quadricep, hamstring, calf stimulation, along with abdominals. Now right now, I'm on the toning and strength. It's hard to talk when it's contracting your abdominals. I'm on the toning and strengthening frequency. Nice 2-second pulses. Very smoothly contracting the muscles. All right, I'm going to bring it up just a touch more. And then I'm going to go to what we call the auto rotate. This system has a built-in computerized function where, as you can see, you got function 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically it rotates through fat burning, muscle toning, circulation, and lymphatic drainage. So it helps get all the toxins and waste products out of your muscles, out of your body, and helps give you more energy, endorphin release, and so forth. So now I'm going to go on to the auto function, auto rotate, and you basically just hit this button right there. Okay, now if you'll look at my muscles, you'll see them go through some different contraction modes. Some people in the industry like to call this passive exercise, but the reality is there's nothing passive about it because you are working your muscles. You're just using an external force, but the contractions are actually much deeper than you could do yourself in the gym. The other interesting thing is it does increase your mind-muscle connection. So when you use this and you integrate it with regular weight training, cycling, cardio, whatever you want to do, you will feel, even yoga, you'll feel more of a muscle connection as far as proper form and biomechanics as far as the muscle function. So as you can see, I'm going through the different functions right now, and you can see the contractions. This is more of a pulsating contraction. And then it goes to the long one. And that's a good it feels really good. It's like a deep tissue massage. And that's the other thing. This is like getting a massage, deep tissue, because when you get done, you just feel rejuvenated. Okay, you can see the quads jumping. All right, I'm gonna bring everything up just a touch more. Gonna go through one more cycle. Oh, my calves are starting to jump. And what you'll notice is your muscles contract like they're supposed to contract. So as you can see, it's like I'm doing calf raises right now. It's bringing me up on my toes. My heels are rising off the ground. I'm not doing this. It's the machine. And through the course of a 30-minute session, you're doing the equivalent of about 500 to 700 repetitions, depending on what mode you have it on. It has a built-in 30-minute timer. You can set it up to 60 minutes. but it will automatically shut off at the end of that time. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for legs today. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Look forward to seeing you.